Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can integrate Shopify with QuickBooks Online. So let's get started. Once you're inside your QuickBooks dashboard, go to the left-hand menu, scroll down, and click on Apps. From there, click Find Apps. In the search bar, type Shopify. You'll see Shopify Connector by Intuit. Click on it. On the top right, select Get App Now. You'll then be redirected to the connection page. Here, select your QuickBooks account name and click Connect. QuickBooks will start preparing the integration, which only takes a few seconds. Next, you'll see two options. If you're already a Shopify customer, click Connect to Shopify. If not, you can start a free trial. Assuming you already have a Shopify account, click Connect to Shopify. A new window will pop up, asking for your Shopify domain. Enter your store's domain without /admin, then click Connect to Shopify. After that, confirm the authorization request, and your Shopify account will be successfully connected to QuickBooks Online. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.